Going solo as a freelancer is so exciting, but safety is always top of mind, especially for women. Today, I'm exploring the safest countries in Europe for female freelancers. Places where you can focus on your work, enjoy life, and feel secure along the way. As a digital nomad or freelancer, your laptop is your livelihood, but your personal comfort and security matter just as much. Things like reliable infrastructure, safe public transport, and low crime rates can make all the difference in your experience abroad. Switzerland ranks consistently high in global safety indexes. With clean, efficient transport, low crime, and a strong healthcare system, it's one of the safest places to live and work. Cities like Zurich and Geneva offer plenty of co-working spaces, though keep in mind Switzerland comes with a higher cost of living. Next up is Finland, which is known for its gender equality, trust in public institutions, and high safety ratings. Helsinki is particularly great for freelancers. It has reliable Wi-Fi, safe public spaces, and a calm pace of life that makes focusing on work easy. Denmark, especially Copenhagen, is one of the most female-friendly destinations in Europe. Biking is safe and easy, the city is walkable, and English is widely spoken. With its blend of modern infrastructure and cozy Scandinavian culture, it's ideal for freelancers seeking a safe, creative environment. Iceland is often ranked the safest country in the world. With its small population, low crime rates, and incredibly welcoming culture, female freelancers can feel at ease here. Iceland has co-working spaces and a strong community of expats, while nature lovers will enjoy easy access to Iceland's breathtaking landscapes. Vienna, Austria's capital, is renowned for its safety, cleanliness, and high quality of life. It's a great base for female freelancers thanks to its strong infrastructure, public transport, and cultural vibrancy. Vienna also has one of the highest rankings for personal safety in Europe. Slovenia is small but mighty when it comes to safety. The capital is charming, safe, and affordable compared to many Western European cities. It's an underrated hub for freelancers who want security without breaking the bank. No matter where you go, here are a few universal safety tips. Choose a co-working space or a cafe with secure Wi-Fi. Use trusted rideshare or public transport apps. Join local freelancer or expat communities for support and friendships. And always keep digital backups of important documents. From the breathtaking landscapes of Iceland to the creative hubs of Denmark, these countries offer female freelancers not only safety, but also inspiring places to live and work. Whether you value nature, city life, or cultural richness, Europe has a safe haven just for you. Which of these countries would you relocate to as a freelancer? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more guides on freelancing and remote work abroad.